Hey everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can take a terracotta pot and saucer and transform it into a magical house for some fairies. Let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is grab your terracotta pot, and the bottom half of the pot you are going to paint with a light pink color. And then the very top of the pot, the lip of the pot is going to be yellow. You're going to want to do 2 layers of paint. We'll do the first layer, let it dry, and then a second layer, just so that those colors really pop. Next, you are going to paint the terracotta saucer, and you want to make sure that you paint the front, side, and the inside of the saucer. Next, we're going to create our door. I drew a rounded door lightly with a pencil. It's kind of hard to see, but you can also just glue on rocks how you want. Otherwise, you can draw it first with the pencil. And then you're going to take some E6000, put it on the back of a rock, and then add it to your pot. And you will go around filling in the rocks to create your door. Next, you will add some red paint to one of the rocks so that it looks like the doorknob. And then around your door, you will draw a red outline, just so that the door really pops. Next, you are going to paint on the windows. You're going to paint 2 white circles, one on the left side of the door and one on the right side of the door. And then you will set it aside to dry. And then you will grab the saucer, make sure that the paint is dry, and then we are going to continue to paint on those circles with white paint. This is going to be the top of the mushroom. Once the white circles on your pot are dried, you will go back with yellow paint to finish up the details of the window. Grab the saucer, and on the inside you will put E6000, and then you'll place the saucer on top of the pot, and then make sure you let it dry. Next, you will take 2 small yellow butterflies, glue them to the edge of the mushroom, and then your fairy house is ready to be displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.